Hello everyone. Today on my bench is Akai GX-95 MKII. Woohoo! This will be the first turn. Okay. Indicator says not in parallel for some reason. Something happened to this deck. Okay. It appears but shows some level. Really? Okay, let me see. It's nice. Okay, you need some help. Okay, rotates. That's a good sign. And don't place. Right. Let me open it. Let me see what's wrong with this guy. And let's start from there. See you soon. Okay guys, I disassembled and continue investigation. Heads connected. Okay. Let me see. All wires, everything looks to be in place. Factory sealed. So this factory zip ties. So, okay, let me see on the top. Connectors look okay. Usually the problems may happen with these connectors if they are disassembled, but it is factory strap. So, okay, now I will have to check power supply. And I will have to use oscilloscope to identify the issue using schematic and checking everything up. As you may see, display installed not horizontally, but there are 3 points of fixing the board. I relax it a bit, try to do as much as possible to straighten up, but it's quality of assembly. Alright, let me see. Okay guys, and here output of the record amplifier, and it shows 16 volt, 22 kilohertz levels. I believe that's technically a reason, because this gets, it's the second deck of this model I meet with exactly same defect. Our other deck, when you increase, oh yeah, same here, see, it's played. As soon as you decrease levels, it will start generating noise. Okay, so the problem is record amplifier, and I would need to discover it. Because I know another guy, I didn't have enough time, I just found the issue. Really said that it comes here, and if you like run levels up, it will stop doing that and you can use it as a player. But now I will have more time to discover what is the root cause for this problem, because this is weird. Again, you see the other channel, 600 millivolts. But this channel generates 16 volts, 23 kilohertz. And that's the reason why deck don't perform well. Okay, let me investigate more and I will tell you results. Hey guys, and as you may see, it can play as soon as I disconnect the record head. Okay. It removes high level of these frequencies from the record head, and everything starts playing. When it's connected, it arises the tape with this left channel, and that's what is happening. This 22 kilohertz is enough to rise the tape, even if bias generator doesn't work. Okay, now let me see. I have to pull up schematic and start looking into this area to understand what technically is faulty. See you soon. Okay guys, here you may see that I need to remove back panel, disconnect connectors from the top, fully disassemble the front panel to remove the boards, relax wires to have it pushed here, these wires, and now I have access, and technically I don't see problems. What I will be doing, I will be installing this socket and will try to replace the op-amp, because looking into schematic it appears that there is everything clear till the position of the calibration port on the front panel here, and after that it just goes here to the op-amp, and here we already have those self-generation signal of quite high level, so there is nothing more. So the only idea is that this chip over time degraded and started to get into self-generation mode. We'll see. Hello everyone. So finally issue was fixed. So I'm installed the socket. I replaced the op-amp. It didn't help, so I put it back. I was investigating. Issue appeared that this connector, and these two wires has been attached with the glue, which over time become conductive. Okay, as soon as I removed this glue, everything started to work, and as you may see, currently head connected, and we can play. It doesn't arise anymore, and if I will check the signal on the pin 7, it's clear now, and there was 23 kilohertz, a huge level. Okay, so that's how simple and at the same time requires investigation path it could be. So I hope it will help in your research. It's a second GX-95 MKII with exactly the same problem I met. Okay, so put a like under this video. I'm sharing this knowledge, so enjoy. Thank you and bye-bye. And here guys, I'm checking wow and flutter. I checked rubber belts, still good, so it comes frequency 2999 and 3000 even, and wow and flutter 0.0 33 to 0.04. Really good results for this whole deck. So now it plays. Let's check how it records. So now when we're playing, I'm tuning deck, and I come across that frequency response of the playback head is reduced over time, and it happens with absolutely all Akai. And in this deck I have seen 2 decibel, in this deck it's 4 decibel, and even if I will put equalizer on maximum, it would not give me a linear response. So I'm currently measuring, so I trying 220 picofarad in a parallel to the head, and it does the job. It's just like 1 decibel difference between 400 Hz and 15 kilohertz. It comes really cool, so I will install, and the response gets really linear, really nice. I just check it, tape is the music. This deck will play really good. So this C101 and C101 here, I have to put in parallel capacitor 220 picofarad. Okay, and after that I will tune recording, and that would be it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay guys, here I'm recording type 1 tape, minus 20 decibel at the source level, and it's a tape. See, pretty nice results, pretty the same. And here's the calibration. I can add bias, you see it goes low, or reduce bias, it goes up. Okay. And here is a level. I can add level, couple decibels, or reduce level, couple decibels. Okay. Pretty nice deck, pretty good results. Now I will just adjust, so there are two ports left, one for chrome tape, one for metal, and then calibration levels, and that's it. See you soon. Hey guys, and that would be the final part. I did not film how this deck sounds. It sounds very well, as all other Akais are fixed, no difference. I was able to correct frequency response on this deck, and now it plays good and records good, all tape types, like 1-to-1, no problems at all. Alright, so that would be it. Thanks for your time, thanks for your attention. Put like if you really like what I'm doing. Thank you, and bye bye.